In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Google Play gift card. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Play on your device and sign into your account. Now go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and click on payments and subscriptions, and this will take you to the payments and subscriptions page. Now go ahead and click on the redeem code option. Click on this redeem code option and you'll get redirected into a new page where you'll be able to enter the gift card code that you received. Now in this area, you just need to enter the code. You can also scan the gift card if you have it along with you. Just go ahead and enter the code in this section and hit on the redeem button to be able to redeem that amount of money on your account. Once you redeem that gift card on your Google Play Store, you'll be able to get that gift card monetary amount on your account, and you can use it to buy games and books and other things that you can actually buy on Google Play Store. And that's how you can simply redeem gift card codes on Google Play Store. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.